Hello everyone, it's Mrs. Tarangelo with the Citizenship Academy. We're on Domain 5, Lesson 9, Synthesizing Text Details to Make Inferences. Our objectives for today are to analyze the relationship between particular words and phrases, to better understand the words and phrases and draw inferences. We're also going to use and explain the function of prepositions and prepositional phrases, and use prefix X as a clue to determine the meaning of words. Some key vocabulary for today. Morals are ideas and beliefs about what is right and wrong. Reputation, the opinion or perception that other people have about someone or something. Pessimistic is having a negative or gloomy attitude, expecting that the worst will always happen. Brute is someone who is mean, tough, and or a bully. Witty is clever and funny. Custom is a tradition practiced by a culture or group of people. And indulge is to treat oneself or take much more than needed. Okay, you're going to go ahead and reread the text from the previous lesson. Feel free to pause the video at any time to read more carefully. Okay, our word work for today is witty. Castiglione said that a lady should be witty, elegant, and cultured. Witty means clever and funny, and is an adjective. So we're going to review prepositions. So remember, preposition describes the place, the person or whom, and the when of a sentence, So a prepositional phrase contains a preposition, and sometimes it's got other words to it. So articles, nouns, pronouns, adjectives. It can be more than just one single word. When prepositional phrases give information about a place, it is about where something happens and about the location of it. So for example, around 3:30 in the afternoon is an example of time. Other prepositions that show time are in, on, at, for, before, after, during. Those are examples of prepositions that are showing time. So remember, when we're talking about prepositions, we're talking about the where, the when, and with whom. And let's review our prefix X. So remember, a prefix is a syllable or syllables that come at the beginning of a root word and change the meaning. Remember, X means away or out, and it does not change the part of speech. So some examples of words with X is expel, exit, and exhale. And it's the end of a lesson, so we will see everyone in the next one.